precipitation has fallen, which leaves the monthly total at 0.06 inches. This is 0.76 inches below the normal amount of 0.82 inches for August. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 20.23 inches, which is 5.62 inches below normal. Sunset tonight is at 8:49 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 6:46 a.m. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio KJY93 in Muncie. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Randolph County until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Redkey, or 9 miles southeast of Dunkirk, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Parker City around 9:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include farmland and Winchester. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Randolph, Indiana,